Hello folks, welcome back to another lesson. We're doing a very special request for Anthony over at Patreon. Thanks for your support, Anthony. He wanted Pearl Jam's Better Man, the live from Madison Square Garden from 2010, I think it is, and just Mike's solo parts. He does 2 little solos in it, which are pretty cool. You get a bunch of this sort of that stuff going on. So if you want to learn that, stick around. In terms of tones, I'm using the Funny Little Boxes 1991. And I'm also using a little bit of reverb from the Evermore. So gain and a bit of reverb. And if you want, you can use a wah towards the end as well. I'm not going to bother with this one, but let's crack on with the first solo. So let me play through the first few bars for you, okay? We have this 2, 3, 4. For the sake of ears, I'm going to go neck pickup just to show you this part clean, right? So it comes in on the 10th fret. So you have 2, 3, 4 with that 8th note, right? Then you're going to play this 3-note pattern. Like that, okay? Look at my right hand as well, right? It's down, upstroke, down. So the first 2 bars goes 3, 4. The next bar starts on the 14th fret. Like that. And then we go back to the first one. Then we've got 3 times round of this. When you go to the 15th fret, so you're going 15, 14, 12, 14, 12, okay? Okay, then we go 14 again. Alternating between 14 and 12, and then 5 times of 15, 14, 12, 14, 12. Then it branches off into this part. Slowly. With the gain at full speed. And then this rhythmic part. And then this little rundown at the end. So let's back that up. We have pretty straightforward. Your first finger's just flat on the B and E. Little hammer on there. And then you do another 3. And then you pull off back to the 10 again. And then you hit the 10th fret again, right? Then you've got this. Here, I would slide down my 3rd finger and then add my 2nd. So we go to get that done, right? So again. Then we go into this part. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then you go up a string. Alright, pretty straightforward. Then we've got this little rundown from the 7th fret again, so we're going. You've got that going on, right? And these are staccato. Now for the outro solo, Mike's never playing this the same way twice, right? But it's all just feel. But really, all you need is you just need that, and then an odd right at the end. You just go to the 15th fret at the end. So you're going to need to fill 6 bars before you go into this. Which is the same as before, right? So that's an 8-bar phrase then, yeah? 6 bars of this. And then 2 bars of... Anyway, let's go through the notes. Now we have... That comes in again, the beat before. We have 3, 4. So you're staying on the 12th fret there for 3. But then this hangs over into the next bar, right, for an extra 16th note. So we have... etc. It just keeps doing that over and over again. But it's because of that extra 16th note, it just pushes the feel of it ever so slightly, right? So when you come to the 6th bar, it's just that. Okay, so let's do it again. I'll go through the whole lot this time. God, I don't even know if I lost count then. That is basically, it's that the whole way through, right, until the last bar. All right, then you go. So the next part's pretty straightforward. It's wah, and he's playing notes fretted on the B string while the E string stays open. He's playing both notes, right? So we have... Okay, then you got this. Then we've got a series of bends, which go... Okay, let's stop there. So again, slowly... Okay, again. Just watch your fingering there. Slide. And then little pull off, right? Then you've got... It's very Mike. And then back to this. And then another one. Just a variation, right? Then we've got this rundown. Then he's got this little run up. It's quite hard to hear this bit. I think he plays that. So we have a hammer on and a fretted note. Then we start again on the 5th fret. The hammer on and a slide. Then we go 7 on the next string up. And then same thing twice, right? Up the octave. Then we go 14, 16. Okay, I think he goes up here. So hammer on here. Full bend and release. And then 7, 10. Bend, release. So then when you hit the 7th fret, you hold that for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. But it's in 3 times, so we have 3, 4, 1. Again. And that, folks, is it. You're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.